If the woman has touched his heart and soul in a profound way, he is likely to remember her. This could be the result of a deep emotional bond, shared experiences, or a strong sense of compatibility. If the woman possesses unique traits or talents that set her apart from others, the man may remember her for being extraordinary. It could be her sense of humor, intelligence, creativity, or any other distinctive characteristic that captivates him. If the man and the woman have shared memorable experiences together, such as going on adventures, overcoming challenges, or supporting each other during difficult times, those moments can create lasting memories that he won't easily forget. Sometimes, a man may remember a woman because he still harbors feelings for her. Whether it's unrequited love or a relationship that ended on unresolved terms, the lingering emotions can keep her in his thoughts. A man always remembers a woman who has left a lasting impression on him. Whether it's due to her intelligence, charm, beauty, kindness, or any other positive qualities, such a woman tends to stay in a man's memory for a long time. There are several reasons why a man might remember a woman who has made an impact on him. If the woman has had a significant impact on the man's personal growth or development, he is likely to remember her as a pivotal figure in his life. She might have been a mentor, a supportive friend, or someone who helped him discover new perspectives and ambitions.